Alright guys, what's up? This is Jared from AquaVapor, and I'm really excited to introduce this. This is the new iTaste DRV from Innokin. It is the variable voltage all-in-one vehicle mod. It looks just like this right here when it comes in the box. You have your 12 volt plug-in, which has a variable voltage wheel right there that I'll show you in just a second. You have the power cord, which hooks up to the 12 volt. You have a automatic and a manual adapter. I'm telling you guys, this thing's really cool. I've been using it for about a week now, and I love it, especially on long car rides, traveling back and forth. So what you have is a 12 volt plug-in, which is like your standard car charger. It does have the little things on the side, so you just kind of have to push it in there. It has that connection right there, which the power cord attaches to. Just like that. You just want to screw it in. And then you have your adjustment wheel and your on and off switch. So once this is plugged into the 12 volt, you just want to hit that button right there, and that's going to turn it on. And then you have your adjustment wheel right here, which it goes all the way from, I believe it goes from 4.2 all the way to 6.4 volts. It is only variable voltage. Now when you plug this in, it has an indicator light on this adjustment wheel that flashes blue when you're scrolling through, and then once it gets on the voltage that you want, it's going to stay solid blue, and it's going to light up on that number. And like I said, this actually right now has the automatic pull adapter on there, so when you're driving down the road, all you got to sit there and just vape on it and you're good to go. There's a little blue LED right here. I don't know if you can see that ring right there, but it lights up when you're drawing on it to tell you that you're actually pulling something. It also has an automatic switch, like comes on your standard Ego batteries, your Vision spinners, stuff like that, that you just press like that, and it's gonna put that vapor up to you pretty quick. Like I said, you can adjust this between 4.2 and 6.4 volts. When I was riding around, I had mine about 5.4, and it gave a really good hit. This kit actually also comes with two iClear 16Ds, which is a new iClear 16 from Innokin, and they look like this right here. We're going to take this little one out of the package, and that is what they look like. They do take a 2.1 dual coil bottom atomizer. Remember guys, that is the only piece that ever has to be replaced in the iClear 16D. Now, when you're filling this up, it's just like your standard EVODs, Pro Tank, stuff like that. You just want to take it and you want to fill it up from the bottom. And once it's full, you just want to sit that back down in there. This tank will hold about 2.2 mil of e-liquid. And then once you got this plugged into your 12 volt, you just want to take your automatic or manual adapter and take your iClear 16D or whatever tank you choose and just screw it on top like that. And then you want to pull on it, it's ready to vape. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to fill this up, we're going to head out to the car, and we're going to show you how it vapes. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. We've got the iTaste DRV, brand new from Innokin. We've got an iClear 16D with some blue suede shoes in it. We're going to walk to the car and we're going to see how it vapes. Alrighty guys. Well, I've got my 12 volt plug-in right here. It's kind of finicky on my car. It's kind of tucked in a little hole right there. But what you want to do is you want to make sure the car and the accessories is on. You're going to press the power button, and as you can see, it's going to light up green. When you switch between voltage, it will flash blue and then turn solid. So I'm going to go back through and I'm going to set mine where I normally have it at, and I'm going to put it right at 5.4 volts. As you can see, the flash, and then it will turn solid. Like I said, I've got this iClear 16D right here with a little bit of blue suede shoes in it, and I'm going to connect it to the automatic pull adapter. we're going to take a puff off of it and see how it does. And as you can see, guys, that little blue ring at the bottom right there will light up to show you that the draw is in effect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the iClear 16D back off, and we're going to switch to the manual adapter, which also has the button just like the Ego style on most. As you can see, when you fire it, you'll get a blue indicator light. What we're going to do is we're going to sit our 16D back on top right there. Great flavor, great vapor production, really, really good intense hit, especially where I have it set at 5.4 volts right now. You can go all the way up to 6.4. It's still going to give you a really great hit, guys. We're going to take one more puff off of it. That is the new iTaste DRV from Innokin vehicle car mod. Great for riding around. Really good hit, really good taste, really great flavor. This is Jared with AquaVapor, and we'll see you next time.